I'll go there everyone. I go by my name Skyward. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. As an affiliate marketer, one of the things you should know is that your leads and where you get your traffic is very important, because that is where your sales will come from. And as an affiliate marketer, over the years I've tried several means by which I can get leads and sales to my site, which you might also have tried. Example or the method I have tried before includes the SEO and the likes, but none of them really gave me the desired results I want. But as a software developer, I have developed a software which I've been using for a while now, and it's doing fine. That's been giving me great results. My software works by getting targeted traffic from digital platform and search engines. As you can see on the screen, this is the result which the software has earned me on my Clickbank affiliate program. So to get the software today and start earning real good as I have been earning, and all my students too have been earning, because this is the account of one of my students who got my video course and my software and is doing fine already. So I just want to display the account for those that are outside who need guidance and who need solution to their affiliate marketing problem. So remember to get the software today and my video course. Always contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com and text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Remember, if you not learn, you won't earn. So join the clique of the smart ones today and start earning. And remember, my software is not only applicable to Clickbank, it is applicable to other digital affiliate marketing platforms. So that is one of the unique thing about my software. You can use it for other platforms also. It's not only applicable to Clickbank. So get the software today. Contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen. Thank you.